Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can extract the LinkedIn URL of your target customers using LinkedIn or LinkedIn Sales Navigator. In the previous video, as I already told you that we can extract only 1000 leads from normal LinkedIn account. Okay, but if you have a LinkedIn Sales Navigator, then you can extract 2500 leads. But now the problem is that if you search your leads while using filter, let's say you want to target CEO of any company, okay, and you want to only target in United States, so you can select United States. Okay, and after that, if you want, you can also specify the industry based on the industry. You can use the filter. Let's say you want to target in event or hospital and healthcare industry, so you can select this. Okay, and also you can use this filter, because you need to, here you can see that you are getting 100k plus result. And as you know that you can only extract 2500 leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator using any tool. Okay, because can't uh, break the rule of LinkedIn or LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Okay, so we need to increase this number, so we can use this filter of company headcount, and we can use 11 to 1 to 10, 28k. So now the question is that how you can extract to 28k leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator, because as I already told you in the previous video that on LinkedIn, through LinkedIn we can only export 1000 leads, and on Sales Navigator you can export 2500. But the problem is that we want to extract out of all of these leads. So how you can extract? So you can use this tool, the Scalelist. This tool will help you to extract all of these leads, 28k plus result. Okay, in your in the CSV file, you don't need to be worry about anything. Okay, so you can create an account on Scalelist. Okay, you can try for free for sometimes. Okay, and after that, if you want, you can upgrade your account. And after creating an account, in that you have to install the extension of Scalelist. Okay, here you can see the icon of Scalelist extension. Okay, so here you can see, whenever you click on this uh, this will automatically open the website of Scalelist. Okay, so now how you can extract? So you need to click on export leads button, and if you click on export leads button, so you can easily export all of these leads in a CSV file in your another dashboard. Okay, only you need to create a new folder. Okay, and where do you want to these peoples, you can add in that folder. So that's how you can extract 20 above 2500 leads using skill list. Okay, so that's it guys, that's it for today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box, or if you want the link of this website, so I can share the link in the description of this video. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for watching.